When a 7.2 earthquake hit, this tiny Chihuahua did something that saved 12 lives. Peanut was acting weird hours before the quake. He was whining, pacing, refusing to eat. His family thought he was sick, but then he started pulling at their clothes. Peanut then ran to their neighbors, barking until they evacuated too. 12 people owed their lives to a 4-pound Chihuahua who could sense danger before it struck, so they took him outside. Minutes later, their house collapsed. Never underestimate a dog's intuition. Hit follow for more amazing stories.